Stare directly at the red dot in the center of your screen. Do not look away and try to blink as little as possible. Keep staring at the dot. In about 20 seconds, I'm going to show you a completely normal, still photograph. But your brain is going to violently edit it in real time. Keep your eyes locked on the center. Focus on the red dot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at this image. It is completely still. But right now, it looks like it's breathing. It looks like reality is warping outward. So, why did this happen? Think of your brain cells like tiny security guards. Deep in your visual cortex, you have a team of guards whose only job is to detect motion. Some guards watch for things moving inward, and others watch for things moving outward. Normally, they talk at the exact same volume. Because they are perfectly balanced, your brain knows the picture is standing still. But staring at that shrinking spiral forced your inward guards to scream nonstop for 20 seconds. They got completely exhausted. When I showed you the still image, the tired inward guards went completely silent to rest. But the outward guards were perfectly rested. They kept talking at their normal baseline volume. Because the inward guards were completely silent, your brain did the math wrong. It only heard the outward signal and falsely hallucinated that a still image was expanding. In short, your brain cells literally got too tired to do their job, and your reality temporarily warped while they caught their breath. If you like uncovering these hidden glitches in human biology, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to show your support.